Education for all is one great policy that we have in our country. Up until now, providing equal opportunity was about giving access to physical infrastructure and related services to the students, to the learners. But since COVID, things have changed. Physical infrastructure is not a top priority right now. Right now, the top priority is internet access. The top priority is access to platforms. Top priority is access to hardware to access internet and those platforms. We have seen a lot of ad tech companies in India coming up with a lot of independent platforms where they are delivering education in 3D, in animation, using augmented reality, virtual reality, and a lot of other interesting ways. But true innovation has come from government, NGOs, public schools, where they have utilized publicly available free platforms, mainly social media platforms, to deliver education to kid in every corner of the state and nation. We have seen governments using Facebook groups to deliver education. WhatsApp has been very handy for teachers to deliver educational material. So I think the innovative use of this platform is going to ensure right to education for all. It's going to ensure equal opportunities for all the kids as far as they have internet access. At Edosphere, we identify ourselves as digital transformation company. Digital transformation is a big word, but we focus on grassroots. We combine technology with our communication strategy to enable grassroots change. Technology is a great bridge that allows information to travel across demographics, and we are using this bridge with full potential. Especially during this COVID times, the channels and platforms that we have created for government, for NGOs, for brands have become single source of information, single channel of information for enabling this change at grassroots level. In the absence of any kind of physical interaction, physical conversations, or physical transaction, these channels have played an important role in transforming things at grassroots level. Working with teachers in Gujarat has been one of the most amazing experience that we ever had. The idea was first to identify the problem. So we identified 4 or 5 typical problems that government had. Public school training was delivered using BISEC satellite channel, and it has its own limitation. Number one, teachers had to travel at nearby location or center to get access to the training. Number two, there is no automated process to track these trainings. Number three, it was only a one-way delivery. Number four, there was no platform for teachers to give feedback or submit their responses. Because teachers couldn't submit those feedbacks, so government had no technology or no way of getting those insights from the grassroots. So we needed a platform that could solve all these problems, and Workplace from Facebook was a right fit for it. First major challenge was technology adoption. Workplace uses a lot of similar features of Facebook, and that made it very easy for teachers to adopt technology. Second, Workplace has both desktop version and mobile app version. So we could deliver training on the platform, and teachers could access that training from anywhere at any time. That saved a lot of time of teachers because they didn't have to travel anymore. We could track the trainings, how many teachers have seen the trainings, how many teachers have taken the learning modules attached with those trainings. Teachers could also respond back during live training and post training session as well. We have seen as many as 50,000-60,000 teachers taking live training on the go. Workplace from Facebook is a great tool for communication and collaboration. It has some great features like knowledge library, learning modules, live broadcasting, hosting question answer sessions, hosting polls and surveys, which makes it a great fit for delivering training online. We have seen great trends in rural India where internet usage has gone up. People are accessing internet, people are accessing information on various online platform. So in this scenario, if you put Workplace, then it becomes a right tool because it has great features for training. It is available on mobile as well as on desktop, and with the increasing trend of using and accessing information online, it can be a perfect fit for delivering training in rural Indias. So when we talk about upskilling our youth, when we talk about delivering those skill-based training in especially semi-urban rural area, this can be a great platform. Not just governments, but also a lot of NGOs are using this platform to upskill their volunteers, to disseminate right information, and to increase knowledge of their followers. Workplace has another great feature of Frontline. It's a version of Workplace which is specifically designed for people who are deskless and emailless in organization, who are actually working on field, who are actually working on the ground, interacting with other people, consumers, or your target audience. So that makes Workplace a great platform to get insights from the ground and deliver vision from the top. As I mentioned, Frontline is a great feature that Workplace has. It is specifically designed for people who don't have emails or who are not sitting on desk to finish their task. So when we talk about cottage industry or agriculture industry, where we have audience which is largely spread across a huge geographical area, so this platform can be very handy in connecting all of them for their knowledge sharing, for delivering training, for delivering right information, for enabling them to access a lot of government schemes, government projects, to deliver the right knowledge of and around agriculture. So I think this can become a centralized platform for this kind of industry where everybody shares knowledge and gain knowledge. So we are very clear about our goals and what we want to do in next fiscal year. We have two clear goals. One is we are on our way to achieve 20 million plus actions taken online. That means those many lives changed by changing how they behave online. And number two, by using Workplace from Facebook, we are aiming to transform more than 100 companies into communities. That means it's going to change employee experience for more than 50,000 people in next 1 year.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.